By the way, I am Christian Ian Mande, your host for tonight, Dazzling Daylight, where dreams sparkle as brightly as the stars above. So sit back, relax, and get ready for an unforgettable evening. Let us begin this special evening with the entrance of the Labor Parade. To be first with the faculty and the faculty and staff of the College of Business Education.